Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. This week, I bring you guys not one, but 3 Among Us live wallpaper and home screen setups. Each one brings a unique look to your home screen, and just like the rest of my setups, you're not going to find anything like this anywhere else. So welcome to episode 22 on how to customize your home screen like a pro. A series where I show you how you can easily and quickly get these stunning minimalistic setups on your Android phones. So if you haven't already, make sure you check out the previous episodes. And following that format, I'm going to show you how you can take a basic home screen setup and turn it into something like this. But before we get started, if you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And let me know in the comment section below if you have any video requests or suggestions. So here they are, all 3 Among Us setups side by side. Each minimalistic setup gives a nice spacious look to your phone, with setup number 2 adding in something a little extra with a disappearing text widget. These setups will be running Nova Launcher using KWGT widgets, and to complete the look, I'll be using the Hex installer for system-wide customization. The link for these and everything else that you're going to need are going to be in the description below. Now as a quick note, if you want that full screen edge-to-edge look for your home screen setup without those ugly signal bars, then make sure you disable the notification bar within Nova Launcher settings. Additionally, for all 3 of these setups, make sure you disable the home screen dock within Nova Launcher's home screen section. Now that we have that out of the way, let's jump into the home screens, starting with the colorful floating setup. For this, indicating the date, time and weather is number 146 from the KWGT outline pack. Just simply load it in and then adjust its size and positioning. For those of you struggling with KWGT basics, check out the super quick guide in the top right corner. Next up, those stylistic icons at the bottom of the screen. These come courtesy of another KWGT pack, Flow. Specifically, it's number 38. Just simply load it to your home screen, then using the item list, head into each icon's touch section and select the app that you want to link to that element. Now simply repeat these steps for the remaining 3 icons. And before we go any further, make sure you grab your favorite Among Us wallpaper from my very own custom creation app. Just simply head to the live video section and you'll find it there. And remember, if you have any wallpaper suggestions of your own, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. And as a final note, if you want to help support the channel and the creation of these awesome live wallpapers, make sure you check out my Patreon. Next up, the bouncing setup. For this, we're once again using those extraterrestrial icons from the KWGT Flow pack. However, joining it this time, indicating the battery level and the amount of sun remaining in the day, is number 39. But the real standout part of this setup is that disappearing text central to the home screen. This is a simple custom widget that we're actually going to build from the ground up. Just load in a new KWGT layout to your home screen and open up a blank canvas. Now in order to keep things organized, let's start by adding in an overlay group. Next, we want to add in text items into the group, 1 for every word of the sentence. Just head into each one and add in your desired word, and then reposition them accordingly. Now here, I'm also going to add in a time indicator. Just simply add in a new text item and then resize it. And once you're happy with the layout, let's make each word disappear. For this, we're going to add in a timed color changing formula. So for each of the text items that we just added, we want to head to the paint sections. Using the tick boxes, we want to select the color and then click on the calculator icon in the top right corner. Now let's head into it and add in the formula that I'm showing on screen. Simply put, this formula states that after 1 second, the text color will change to white from black. So for each of the text items in the widget, just simply use the exact formula again. But as you're going along, make sure to increase the seconds by 1, meaning that there'll be a delay of 1 second between each word appearing. Here, I've chosen to switch between black and white, but you guys can replace these with any colors you want. Just simply use the color wheel here. And if you want that transparent look, just simply replace the black with this code here. And as a final note, if you want to increase or decrease the duration, just adjust the total seconds count here. Now for the third and final home screen, the flyaway. For this setup, indicating the date is number 119 from the outline pack. And replacing the home screen dock at the bottom of the screen is number 49 from the Apollo 2 pack, which I've once again added in KWGT Touch app shortcuts similar to the first setup. And wrapping up all three setups, we're using Hex Installer. This is going to give you a nice AMOLED friendly black backdrop with colors matching the theme splashed across the whole system, including the notification panel. Just use the color codes that I'm showing on screen. And alternatively, you can get a similar result using the app OneShade. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure you like and subscribe to help support the channel. And if you have any theme suggestions or requests, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.